This video is a complete beginner's guide to Metatrader 5. So that means I'm going to show you how to download Metatrader, how to use it, and why do you need Metatrader for your trading. So if that interests you, make sure you keep watching and make sure you smash that like button below the video so that I know that you like this type of videos. So first of all, let's talk about what is Metatrader. Metatrader is a trading platform which you can use to place your trade on the forex market. So you can use Metatrader as a trading platform, and then you connect your broker's account so that you place your trades in Metatrader using the money that is in your broker's account. So first thing that you need to do is to download Metatrader 5. So download Metatrader 5 on your phone. It's very easy. You go to Google Play Store and then you search for Metatrader 5. Once you search for Metatrader 5, it's gonna be the first application that comes up. Then you download it into your phone. Once you download Metatrader into your phone, what happens is Metatrader is going to automatically create a demo account for you. But if you want to use your real account, all you need to do is click on these three bars right here, and then you are going to see that you have a button which says manage accounts. So you click that button which says manage accounts right here. Once you click that button, you want to click here where it says add. This plus sign right here, this plus sign right here. You click that plus sign right here. And then what you are going to see is you are going to see a list of brokers here. If you want to find your broker, just gonna come here, type in your broker's name. If you want to use the same broker as me, I will leave the link in the description. You're going to choose your broker, which is right here. And then once you choose your broker, you want to just put your login ID and your password right here. And then you click your saver to whatever your broker uses. And then you click log in. And then you're going to automatically log into your broker's account. In this case, I'm going to just use this demo account right here. So once you do that, you create your demo account if you want to practice, or you create your real account if you want to go in with your real money. Whatever you want to do, that's you, right? The next thing that I want to show you here is how to navigate through this app. Right, so the first page that I'm going to show you here is the quotes page right here. So this quotes page right here is the page that gives you every currency pair that you want to trade on. As you can see right here, we have Euro USD, GBP USD, and all other currency pairs right here. We can add other currency pairs here by clicking this plus sign right here. Once you click this plus sign right here, you're going to see a list of symbols, right? You can choose Forex, then you choose any of these currency pairs. You can also choose metals. If you like gold, silver, whatever you want to do, maybe you believe that gold can give you much more wealth, right? You can choose metals and trade metals. We also have indexes. We also have commodities. We also have a lot of things right here. If you want to trade like stocks, whatever you want to trade, you find it in Metatrader. So this is the quotes page. If you want to look into any of these currencies, all you need to do is click on the currency, and then you are going to choose here. If you want to look for the chart and see what happens, if you want to create new order, which is creating your first trade, you click this new order button right here. So in this case, I'm just gonna click on Euro USD, and then I'm gonna click on the charts. We are going to get into the next page, which is the charts page, right? So this charts page right here is where you are going to see your candlesticks, and that's where you are going to be doing your analysis right here. So these candlesticks represent how the market have been moving. We are going to do a lot of videos about that also. If you like more videos on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out when you come out with best content like this each and every week. So if you click on the middle of this screen, you're going to see this wheel right here, which gives you the time frames. These time frames is what determines which time frame are you looking for with these candles. If you want to look these candles with like each and every 1 hour, you choose the 1 hour time frame. So you can choose these time frames from 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly, right? So we also have these 4 buttons right here. That the first one right here is for objects. So if you click on the objects button right here, right, these objects can be drawing tools like rectangles, trend lines, Fibonacci tools, and all the objects that you can use to analyze the markets. That's where you find these objects right here. We also have this gear button right here. If you click on this gear button right here, you are going to see that this is the settings of whatever you want to do. If you want to change the colors of your candlesticks, if you want to change any of the settings about this chart, this is a little bit advanced stuff. You are going to learn it as you go. Also, we have this F bar here. This F button right here is what gives you the indicators, right? You can add any indicators to the charts. We can add Bollinger Bands, moving averages, MACD, any of the indicators that you want to do, the moving averages and anything like that on the charts. You can use this F bar here to go to that. You can also use this cross here too here. As you can see, this cross right here, if you click this is gonna be showing you exactly where the price is as you are moving with your hand on your screen. You are going to be seeing, okay, this is exactly where the price was at this point right here. Using this cross here too here, you can use it also to measure your stop loss with the pips and some things like that. Also, you can see that on top of this chart screen right here, you also have this cross here too here. We also have this F button for indicators. We also have this one which looks like a dollar sign. For this one, if you click this one, you're going to see all the list of currency pairs that are on your quotes page right here. So if you don't want to shift from the charts page going to the quotes page, you can just use this tool right here. Now, the next thing that I want to show you is how to place your first trade. So to place your first trade, it's very easy. So let's say you just analyzed this market right here, and on your analysis, you think that this market is going to be going up. So what you just need to do here is click this plus button here on the top right corner right here. When you go there, you go to this page right here. This is where you decide your lot sizes and your risk on that trade. So on this one, you can change the lot size right here. You can change the lot size whatever you want here. If you want to use a standard lot, you can place right here your standard lot, this which is 1. If you want to use a mini lot, you can place your mini lot. If you don't know anything about lots, pips, the basics of forex trading, I will leave the link in the description of this video so that you can get a free course that is going to teach you how to start trading from scratch. So let's say I just use a standard lot size here, which means each and every pip is gonna be worth $10, and then I'm gonna be buying right here. So I just click buy right there, right? You can also add stop losses, take profits, but I'm not going to show you how to do that right now because I want to keep this video a little bit short, but I'll leave the link in the description. You can get a full course that teaches you all those things, right? So once you place your trade, you automatically going to be redirected to your trade page right here. This is where you see your profits running. This is where you see your losses as your market is going. As you can see, if this screen is blue, you are going to be in profit. If this screen turns red, you are in loss. So whatever money you are going to be seeing here as the screen is blue is going to be profit. So right now we have like $10 in profit on this trade right here, and now it's gone on to $26 right here, which means we are making like 3 pips right on this trade right here. So here you can see we have the balance. The balance is your money that you are starting off with, which is in your trading account. The equity is the money that is in your account, adding the profits of the running trade or subtracting the losses of a running trade. In this case, as you can see, we have like $30 in profits, and then our equity is 100,030, right? This is a demo account, remember, it's not my money. Then also we have this what is called margin. So the margin is the amount of money that you need in your account for you to be able to hold that trade with that lot size. So for in this case, I placed a standard lot, which means each pip is worth $10. So for me to do that, I needed at least $1,000. In this case, our balance, this is a demo account, our balance is 100,000, but I only needed $1,000 to be able to place a standard lot trade right like this. So what is called then we also have what is called free margin. Free margin is the amount that is left in my whole account for me to place other trades. So this margin here is for the trade that I placed. If I want to place other trades, this is what is called free margin. So if you have a small account like a $20 $10 account, you would understand exactly what I'm saying. So let's say my margin for that trade, I needed for the $10 account, I needed $5. So the left amount of money in the account is another $5. So that's the free margin for me to place another trade right there. So if you place more trades than your margin allows, then your broker is gonna tell you that you have not enough money, right? So this is what you need to understand about this page. Let's go to the next one, which is the history page right here. So for you to understand the history page, I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade right here, and I'm gonna close it right here with a profit of $27. Okay, just accept here. So we closed with a profit of $31. So we are going to go to the history page. The history page is what is going to show you all your profits for the day. If you click on this calendar sign here, you can see for the last week how many trades have you placed, how many trades have you lost, what are your winning trades, your losing trades right there. So you can see here we have our one trade right here, because this account is brand new. I just created for the sake of this tutorial. So this is the Metatrader 5 platform as it is. If you click on these three bars here, you're going to see a lot of another options right here. We have the journal page, right, which shows you each and every trade that you placed and whatever you have done. We also have trading applications. We have trade signals. If you want to engage with other traders on Metatrader, you can go here, trade signals. You can go to trade community, right? Trade community is other traders also. If you want to engage with other traders in forums and things like that, we also have trade community. We also have trade applications, which is things like expert advisors, right? So if you want to use robots, EAs, and other things like that, you can go to trade applications. So to do that, you need to create an account with Metacodes, right? So I already have an account, but I'm not gonna log in here because I don't want to expose my password for that. So now that you have learned how to use Metatrader 5 and you know how to place your first trades and you know the basics of this application, the next thing is to learn how to analyze the market and make profitable trade. For you to do that, I have left the first link in the description. Is gonna give you a step-by-step formula which I use to place high probability trades in the market. Make sure you go into the description, check the first link in the description, and join me today.